Wesley Cook Bentley is an American actor best known for his roles as Ricky Fitz in American Beauty, which earned him a nomination for a BAFTA Award for Supporting Actor, Seneca Crane in The Hunger Games, Doyle in Interstellar and Erik in Mission: Impossible, Fallout. He was one of 4 subjects in the documentary My Big Break, which covered his fame after American Beauty and struggles with substance abuse. Rebuilding his career, he starred in the premiere of Venus in Fur by David Ives in the off-Broadway production in 2010. His other film roles include The Four Feathers, Ghost Rider, P2, and Pete's Dragon. He began appearing in the FX anthology series American Horror Story in 2014, playing Edward Mordrake in Freak Show. In 2015, he starred as Detective John Lowe in Hotel, for which he received a Critics' Choice Television Award nomination. The following year, he played Dylan in the series' 6th cycle, subtitled Roanoke. In 2018, Bentley began starring in the Paramount Network original television series Yellowstone. Bentley was born in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and raised in Little Rock, born the third of 4 boys for Cherry Baker and David Bentley. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.